so fucking fucked up. Damn. High life. No sleep. Just pass out. Damn, I be so something fucked up. Ain't even the word. I'm popping pills, I'm sipping syrup, I'm drinking drink, I'm blowing smoke. Oh, checking for my keys, I got my cheese, I got my weed. I'm trying to leave, but for some reason all these hoes won't let me go. No, them bitch niggas ain't bout it. All they do is run they mouth. When my niggas get in, why the fuck they running out? Young nigga by the pop, but I do not play around. Down bottom in this bitch, so you know what's going down. All this fucking weed in my lungs, all this lean and lick in my liver, all this turn up in my system. I'm living life loud, I don't care who listen. If I ever go to court, I'ma find a nigga that snitch and kill the pussy and the beat. Do you wanna be my next victim? Listen, your girl coming with friends or cousins, they just trying to get into something. Ayy, nigga, you know me, I be down with the bitches in the house like Gluckman. Nigga, say hello to that high life, say goodbye to that old life. Them cold nights, this cap heights, that fast life with no lights. You coming from the bottom, the only way is up. When I see the word trust, nigga, all I see is us. For my squad, I'm going Rambo. How far can that man go? I won't stop till I'm on top of my whole team in Lambo. I've been fucking the world, still haven't came yet. I'm anxiously waiting like a roller at an AIDS test. Go raw when I go in, blow job from your girlfriend. Down bottom to the beat drop, cap heights to the world and bang. Bitch, you know my name and I'm representing Lamborghini gang. Kush, ho.